Toytime Surprise!
Hello, little loves. Today on Toytime Surprise, you're going to learn about the three little pigs. 1, 2, 3. And you're going to learn about their visit to this great castle. Do you remember the story of the three little pigs? Well, basically it goes like this. Once upon a time, there were three little pigs who needed to build their very own home. The first pig, who really cared more about playing than doing work, built his house out of straw, and the big bad wolf blew it down. The second pig built his house out of straw, and the big bad wolf blew it down too. And then there was the third pig, who really liked to work hard and persevere, so the third pig built his house out of sturdy bricks, and it lasted forever. It was such a great strong house that the big bad wolf could not blow it down. Part of the story you may not have heard is that this very wise third pig was asked to come help fix the great castle of Glendragon. The pigs went to the castle to help with the repairs, so here they are, along with our princesses, the three pigs are here to help so that the castle can be repaired. Of course, they would not be bothered by the big bad wolf here at Glendragon because of the powerful and mighty dragon. That was a friend to the three little pigs. The pigs, however, did not come alone. They brought some special animal egg surprises for the princesses that lived there because they knew how much the princesses loved animals. The princesses were so excited. They were so excited to learn of the three pigs' kindness, so they thanked them and quickly began a great egg opening party. Yay! So, little loves, we're here at Glendragon and at the castle to open up some of these great egg surprises. So let's get started. Are you ready? If you're ready and you know it, clap your hands. If you're ready and you know it, clap your hands. If you're ready and you know it and you want Annie to show it. If you're ready and you know it, clap your hands. Here we go. So, the first little pig brought us these eggs. And let's see what's inside. The first egg. We have a little kitty cat. And what does a little cat say? All our little pets will go up with the princesses, for they love animals. The second little piggy brought us this egg. All inside this gushy Play-Doh. Oh, and it's a billy goat. And what does a goat say? And the third little pig brought us this egg. And it's a chicken. It's a little chicken for at the castle to lay some golden eggs. And what does a chicken say? Oh, that chicken needs to go way down here. All right, loves, that's the end of this video. Click this link to watch part 2.